Moi kaikille. Hi everyone. Tänään opimme verbityyppi 4. Today we learn verb type 4. In verb type 4, the basic form or the perusmuoto ends in te are or te ä. But before the t or te, there must be a vowel except a or e. Let's look at the conjugation in verb type 4. Some textbooks say remove the ending they are or they are and then add are or are to the stem and after that add the personal ending. For example, haluta, you just remove the they are, halu, then add are, halua, then add the personal ending. Minä haluan, sinä haluat, hän haluaa, me haluamme, te haluatte, he haluavat. But if it confuses you, just remove the t or te. That's it. Then add the personal ending to the ending. You can choose whichever works for you. That's totally fine. If you just remove the they or t, no need to add additional a or a. Straight away you remove the t or they, it comes as halua. Then you add the personal ending to halua. Minä haluan, sinä haluat. Like that. I took these two examples to show the difference in hand form. First, look at haluta. Haluta means to want. Here we add a to the hand form. But if we take the example osata, to be able to, we don't add a here because osa already have two a's or a. So we don't add additional a. But here in haluta, halua, we add a. So that is the main difference between these two examples. If there are two a or a, we don't add third English a or a. If we take the example pakata, to pack, we don't add any additional a to the hand form. Also in herata, we don't add any additional a or a to the hand form because already two a in hera. In pakata, already two are there. So we don't add any additional third English letter a. Also, pakata changes into pakka because of the KPT changes. Let's look at the KPT gradation or kopete vahitelu in verb type 4. It is same as verb type 3. The perusmuoto or infinitive form is weak. All the other forms are strong. Vahva. So if you take the example tukata, to like, minä tykkään, sinä tykkäät, hän tykkää, me tykkäämme, te tykkäätte, he tykkäävät. Here are some examples of type 4 verbs. Also, I mentioned whether the kopete vahitelu affects the verb or not. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video with Verbityyppi VC or verb type 5.